Hi, I'm Shawn Banks and welcome to another episode of Extension Gardener on the Crystal Coast. Today I wanted to talk about how to plant these seed mats that we made in the last video. As you can see, I got the seed mat labeled carrots, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant them in these containers here so that I can have some carrots in containers, because for some reason they just disappear when I plant them in the ground. So what I've done is I've leveled off the soil here so that it's fairly level, and I placed that in the center of the container. And then all I need to do is just take a little bit of soil. Actually, I'm using compost here, and I want to cover that seed mat about 1/8 of an inch deep with the compost. Just enough to cover up that mat so that you can't hardly see it anymore. There we go. All right. And then what I'll need to do is add some water. And once I put that water in there, it'll be good to go. Okay, now that it's been watered in about 7 to 10 days, the seeds should pop up. I should start seeing little sprouts, and then we'll be able to do another video on what it looks like. But until next time, happy gardening.